Okay, for 24, they want to simplify, so let's do A, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2. X squared divided by x, that's x squared. X to the second over x to the first is x. And y to the third over y to the first, you subtract, right? So 3 minus 1 is y squared. Okay, no work really to show for that one. So that's A. For B, we are going to raise to a power. Now let's think first. I'm taking a negative and I'm raising it to the third power. So a negative times a negative times a negative, that's going to be a negative answer. So we can now forget about that negative. We know that the answer is negative. So now it's power to power, right? So I distribute that third in, so it's negative m to the third, n to the third, right? That power gets distributed into it. Whenever we have a negative that we're raising, just figure out what the answer is going to be first, whether it's going to be positive or negative, and then don't worry about that negative, right? All right. So C, mn to the negative third is the same as 1 over mn to the positive third, right? But this isn't simplified because we have to distribute that power in. So it's 1 over m to the third, n to the third for C. And then D, this is one where I am assuming that what they want is the answer in scientific notation. So 3.2 divided by 8 is 0.4, right? 10 to the negative 2 divided by 10 to the third, it's negative 2, so that would be, if I do it here, 10 to the negative 2 minus 3, so that's 10 to the negative fifth, right? Times 10 to the negative fifth. And if the question didn't say write your answer in scientific notation, which it doesn't, but I'm assuming since these are scientific notation, they want the answer, I would be more clear on a test. So this 0.4 is not between 1 and 10, so this needs to be 4 times 10 to the negative sixth power in scientific notation.